Hello and welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to be doing my first Halloween unboxing of the year. I'm so excited. Now technically I did a seasonal Chewy unboxing, but like this is my stuff. This isn't dog stuff or cat stuff. This is my stuff, and as you can see I've got a decent amount of stuff. So it is August right now. I believe it's the 14th, and it's perfect time to do some Halloween shopping because it's where some of the stores are starting to get stuff out, but things haven't really been marked up for Halloween yet. So we get first dibs at Halloween stuff, and it's not as expensive as it would be once you get into like late September and October. So I like to do a lot of my shopping early, and then I like to do shopping on November 1st. Now I don't really have room for more Halloween decorations, but I'm getting them anyway. I do need some more big decorations, which, as you can probably guess, I got some. That way I can kind of bring the house together, because it's a very open setup, so a lot of things on the shelves just don't really, it doesn't bring everything together. It doesn't transform the house, and that's the feel I'm going for. So, without further ado, we're going to get into what I got. So this is like kind of an unboxing, a haul, little mixture, whatever you want to call it, but it's just me being excited about Halloween. So these are from different stores. We're going to start off with what I got from Menards. I got this awesome little thing. I've never looked at Halloween stuff at Menards before, and they didn't have stuff set up. I think like now to next week is when stuff is going to be set out. They had 3 empty like rows of shelves, and they had maybe 10 decorations up. Like they were all scattered around, a lot of it was little stuff. But I found these 2 cool finds. I got this, and it's this awesome hourglass, which hourglasses are just awesome for Halloween anyway. And it's got like the black top and bottom, and they have spider webs on them. And it has these gold skeleton hands on the inside. And then when you flip it, there's this black like sand that falls through. And it is really cool. It is called the Sands of Time Clock, and it is from Pumpkin Hollow is the brand. So I got that. I love it. It is so cool. It doesn't feel like the best quality in the world, but it doesn't feel like bad quality, if that makes sense. I think this was, one of them was $14, one of them was $12. I feel like this one was $12. Well, I guess 13 and 15 I should say. But I believe this one was the $12 one, and I think this is better than $12 quality. But I'd say it's between the $12 and $20, because I feel like $20 is where a lot of this stuff sits. It's a little below the quality I usually get, but it's very good for this price, I feel like. So we got that. Oh, also I have my buddy Lester here. He's helping me out. And we have Remy, and Ziva's peeking her head over there. I don't know if you can see her or not. But yeah, and then also from Menards, I got this. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's also from Pumpkin Hollow. It's called Black and White Pumpkin Stack, and it's got, they're like kind of ceramic, I guess you could say. I actually don't know what these are, but it's got this big black, like matte black pumpkin on the bottom, and it has these little sequiny gems that go up the side, and then it's got a glossy black pumpkin in the middle, a little smaller, with some more little gems that go up the side, and then it's got a white matte one at the top with some diamond gems that go up the side. And now this feels a little cheaper. Like if I drop it, it's gonna break, like no question about it. And I could see it like chipping easy, but it's not horrible quality, like I said, which I'm not super picky on the quality for Halloween decorations, especially shelf decorations, because they're sitting on a shelf. Like they're gonna be fine. I just worry about storage sometimes, but I think this will be fine. And in between all the pumpkins, it's got this little feathering that comes out, which I think is really cool. Now, I don't know how long that's going to last with the cats. They might eat it and destroy it. We'll see. But I thought it was cute, and so I wanted to get it. So that is all I got from Menards. Now let's get to this pile that is falling on top of me. 3 of these boxes are from Oriental Trading. This is the first time I've shopped through them, but I heard that they have good Halloween stuff, and for not super expensive, which I totally agree on that part. Now, I heard from some people that the quality is really cheap, but I also know some people who love shopping there, so I'm curious to see what this is. If it's kind of a meet in the middle where it works for the price. I don't remember the prices I had for these, but for the stuff that I got online, which is these things, I will have them linked below. So we're just gonna get into it. I'm gonna be honest, I don't really remember what all I bought, but you know, we'll see. I remember most of it. Sorry about that. So I got this. It is a little thing that hangs from mantle of a fireplace, or just a mantle in general, I guess, but I'm gonna put it on our little fake fireplace. I didn't notice it had these little spiders hanging from it, but it's got this black piece that goes at the top. You can set stuff on it to help hold it in place. And then it's got this big mesh spider web that hangs down, and it's got this little like sequiny kind of lining with these silver beads. And then it has these, they're just super thin fabric spiders with a little red gem on them that hang down from the points. Now I don't remember how much I paid for this, but it does feel a little cheaper quality. It feels like Halloween decoration quality, if that makes sense. Like a lot of stuff you're gonna get, like kind of like costumey material. It feels like that. But I'm excited. This will look really cool there. I got this little tabletop skeleton dude. I think this was on sale. I got it for $4, so that was pretty cool. I wouldn't have paid any more for it, I don't think. Cause like I really like it, but it's one of those things I got it because it was super cheap and because it'll match my stuff, but I didn't need it, if that makes sense. It is this cute little skeleton dude in a top hat and a little like tux jacket. He's got a little red sparkly like undershirt on, I don't know what it's called. He's got a rose in his hand, some red sparkly touches on his vest, or his jacket. And he's got a little like cane. He's in front of a little tombstone that says eternally yours. And he's a pretty snazzy dude. He's pretty fancy. I like him. So much tape on this little box. Look how cute this little skeleton duck is. Oh my gosh, it is so adorable. Now, I love collecting little skeleton animals. I have so many of them. I saw this duck and I was like, oh my gosh, it is so cute. It's just this tiny little ducky. And I'm super excited. Speaking of Ducky, here's Dexter. His middle name's Ducky. Are you finding your friends? Saying hi to Lester? Okay. Now, one thing that I'll point out is a little creepy. On one side, it has like a pupil almost, and the other side it doesn't. I like it better the side that doesn't. The side that has it is just really creepy, but like not in a cute way, like just like in an actual creepy way. Which I guess for Halloween works, so I think I'll have it sit out on the side that doesn't have the little pupil. One, because it also doesn't make sense for it to have one. I don't know if it's supposed to be there. It looks like it is, but yet it also doesn't look like it's missing from the other side, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know. But I got that little guy. So cute. So excited about that. Oh, hi! A cat face just peeked up over there. That scared me. I got this awesome two-headed posable skeleton. And one reason I got the, like the ribs, they're super thin plastic, like super thin. I don't know if you can tell, but it just kind of wiggles around. It's very, very thin. So yeah, the quality is not great on this, but it's okay. Yeah, and the mouths don't stay closed. So not impressed with the quality, but it looks cool. It's this little like pose and stay skeleton. So I'm probably gonna have to keep this box that Beatrix is now laying in to store it. But I don't know, it's really cool. I saw the way it was advertised. It was like this like fortune teller type thing, and it had this cool like thing over its head. I don't know what it's called. I don't know nothing about fortune telling, but I like the look of those decorations, but they don't really fit my theme. So I decided I want to set up a little fortune telling table and just kind of get a few of those decorations just because they always look really cool. And I'm gonna have this one be the little person, So they're gonna be girls, but I don't know what their names are going to be yet. But yeah, I'm welcoming them to my club. If you can't tell, I really like skeletons. I think they add a lot to the area. So Lester, here's your girlfriends. You guys can hang out there, because I don't have enough room. Alright, Beatrix. Sorry, Bee. But in here... I'm so excited! I got big posable dragon skeleton to add to my collection. Now I'm confused, because this is a 48-inch skeleton dragon, it says, and I never saw like I knew it was posable, but I never saw anything about it being like an animatronic. But in its mouth, it has a little like speaker and what looks like a battery pack. But I don't know what would it, if it makes noise, or what would trigger it, or what. And it doesn't say anything on here about like taking batteries or what it is. So that's interesting. But yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna name this dude yet either, but he is so cool. I'll show you him better. The legs are adjustable. The wings right here are. The mouth just kind of opens. I'm wondering if... Oh, I wonder if it moves the mouth, like, electronically. Yeah, I think that's what happens. And then the tail is, like, waggable and not really posable because it falls back down, but it has all these little joints in the tail. So you can have it do its little thing. But I think that is so cool. He is so cool. Now, he's not as cheap feeling as that by any means, but definitely doesn't feel, like, definitely isn't Butch quality. I know you guys don't really know who Butch is or his quality, but just trust me. He's pretty good quality. So now, last but not least, we have this awesome find. My sister actually found this at Sam's Club, and this was $70, but it is perfect, like perfect for what I'm wanting. This big skeleton hand decoration, and it has a little lantern on it, and it says that it takes 3 AAA batteries, so we're just gonna get this open. Oh my gosh. So in the display that they had in the store, it was more white, but this is like a silver, like chrome looking thing. Well, not chrome, but like a silver and black thing, and it looks so cool. I like this better than the white. And this feels like really good material. Like, I think it's wood. I don't really know what it is. I think it's wood. And then here we have the lantern. The lantern is just plastic. And it feels like pretty thin plastic, not gonna lie. I don't know how this hooks to it. I know it hooks to the hand somehow. And then it has the batteries right there. Alright, so you just hook it in there. And then wrap the rest around. That is so cool. Oh, that is so cool. So it has this orange glowing light. It's this little cemetery scene. I love it. I'm so excited for all this stuff. This is so cool. Alright, so thank you for watching. Thank you for having fun with me on these little Halloween adventures. Ziva's very confused. I've got all my new friends here. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Halloween. Bye.